Hello guys, this is question number 6 related to exam RHCA 200. So according to this question, create a user dolly with a UID 5120 and the password for this user should be Red Hat. So in the exam you can have any UID, any username and password will be given. You have to use that password. Okay, so let's go to our machine. If they give you a specific UID, how you will create a user with that. So first the command is user add, and then you will use hyphen u 5120. This is the UID and username is dolly, right? So once it's created you can just grab it and go to this file and confirm it if it's present there. Yeah, it's there. And then just give the password to this newly created user, and it could be any in your practice, but when you are in the exam scenario the password will be given to you. You will have to use that one, right? So this part is done. This question number 6 is done. Let's move on to the next question. I'm sorry. So next question is question number 7. Configure a cron job. The user Nancy must configure a cron job that runs daily at 15:25 local time and executes this command, right? So it could be any in your real exam scenario, or this question can be asked in this way also. The user Nancy must configure a cron job that runs daily after every 1 minute and executes slash usr slash bin slash echo, and there will be a message like hi, hello, whatever, right? So I'm going to show you that how you will address to this question and solve it. And let's go Nancy 1525, right? So let me clear it and cron tab hyphen l hyphen u. Okay, so no cron tab job, no cron job is already set for this user. So it's evident from this command, and we have to set that, right? So first of all, look at the question. They are asking for this echo command. So you can put the same address, I mean the path for this command, or you can also check the path using this command for echo, like this one, right? So to set this cron job for user Nancy, we'll use this command and then hit enter, and you have been given the time as per this question 15:25. So first one is minutes and second one is hour. 25, then hit the tab, and 15, and then hit, that minute, hour, days, week of days, and day of month. There are 5 things, right? So we only have been given only minutes and time, so we are gonna put minutes and hour only, and rest will put star, and then we'll put this command, which is like this one, or you can copy, sorry, you can just take this one, or you can take the first part. It's up to you. So, so I'm taking this one and then just hit and paste it, right? And if you are given hello here in the exam or whatever message you will be given, you have to provide that message. Okay. Once everything is done, you have to save this and then again run the command. If the cron job is set for this, you look here, it's set now. Earlier on, there was no cron tab for Nancy user. So second, if you get a question like this, so all you have to do, I'm going to show you here. You will do, I mean, every minute, right? So you will put asterisk and then 1 minute one, and then you will uh, put asterisk like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5. And then after this, you will just write this one. If you get question in this way, you will have to do this and then save the file and run the command to check if it is applied to that Nancy user or not. Okay, this is how you have to solve this question. So let's move on to the next one. It says find a string. I don't know. Let me, how should I remove this? Okay, leave it here. So second other question number 8 is find all the lines in the file /temp/test.txt that contains the string start, right? It could be any path, it could be any file under any path, any directory. So you have to use that one in your real-time exam scenario if you come across this kind of question. And there will be a string given and you will have to find that. So we don't have this, we'll have to look for that string and we'll also create this file and put it there, right? So let me first create this file, but in the exam scenario you will not have to create this file. It will already be created for you. You will have to use the command to find the string. So let me go there and create this file first and put a string under /temp test.txt. Okay, so temp test.txt. Hit insert button and write start. Right? Only two times we write this. We are just uh, practicing. So now we have to find this. What we'll do, we'll run this command, and in the single quote we'll write the string we are looking for. From where slash under temp test.txt, and we have to put this in /root mm, lines.txt, any file, but in the exam you will have to use the same name which are given in the exam. Okay, so let's enter and now cat it just to see if the string is there. Yeah, string is there. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this question, and let's move on to the next one. Yeah, this is question number 9. I'm just making it visible for you. Question number, create an archive. So you have to create an archive. Guys, I tell you one thing, when you do archive, so you have three kind of compressing format, right? So if you get this extension like this bzip2, in that case, what you have to use, you'll have to use a flag hyphen small j, right? And if you find the extension with your tar file like gz, right? Uh, dot gz. If you find this, then while archiving the file, you will have to use uh, hyphen z, right? In place of hyphen j. So, and another is if you find xz, then in that case, I mean extension is like xz. So in that case, you will use hyphen capital J in place of hyphen Z or hyphen J, right? So these are the three compressing format you will use with the while archiving the file, creating archive, right? Tar archive. So let's move on to the go to our machine and solve this question. Create a tar archive named slash root data.tar.bz2 and contains the USR local bin. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy this, or you can do this. Let me clear it. You will use command tar hyphen c and then j, c verbosely j f file, and you are given the path. The path is slash root slash data dot tar dot bz2, but in the exam you will use the one you will be given. Okay, we are just doing our practice, so in my case I have this file tar dot bz2. Okay, and this is the file we have to create the tar archive for this. Look, us slash usr slash local slash usr slash local, and just hit enter. It's creating tar archive. Yeah, let me clear it. I just show you. Look here, data.tar.bz2. This is your tar archive file. Okay. So in the exam, you will have to use those file name which will be given to you. Remember it. Don't memorize this, right? So let's see what's the next question. These are simple question, but you have to do practice because they can be a scare in the exam if you get stuck somewhere. Okay. So now it says that question of locate all the files owned by a user, same one, and place a copy of them in the slash root found directory. Okay, so let's, you might be given this user or any user of any name, right? Any user. So if first of all, you will check if the user is available. So if it's not available, you will have to create user as we are creating here. Now it's available, right? Let's see. Okay, it's available. So you can also give password to this user if you want to, and we have given password to this user also. Now let's switch to this user. Without using the password, we can switch to this user because we are as root, right? We are here as root, so we are gonna switch to this user to create some data, so which we need to find and copy. So in the exam, you do not have to do this user will most likely be there and data will be created under that user. But in your practice, you will have to create some data under this user, right? So I'm gonna create few files ABC2, ABC3, okay? So and a couple of other files under temp ABC4 and another one ABC5, right? So now we have some data created by this user. So exit from here. Let me clear it. And we have to find the data under this user. Uh, okay, hyphen user sim1, right? First find the files. Look here is you can see under temp and you can see under home and sim1 under sim1 all the files. And you ignore these. Okay, find this, ignore this. Only you have to look at the one you already see there. Okay, just ignore it. All other irrelevant files. Now we have to copy and one more thing. Yes, one more thing as per the question. You have to copy the file you have found here. But we do not have this directory, but in the exam scenario, you will be given that directory. If not, you can create it. mkdir, sorry, mkdir, and then it says root found, right? So it's here. Now let me clear it. And after doing this, what you have to do, you have to copy all the files, copy and put -rf recursively from where you don't know, just put this space holder and where you want to copy them, you want to copy them here, /root/found, right? And now we have to terminate this command. You'll backslash and then put semicolon. This is how you'll terminate it. Yes. So let's check if the data is available there. Directory is there and we can see the file we created there. There are some extra, just ignore them, okay? The one we created, the data is available. This is how you have to address to this question. And I'm just repeating, you will not have to create data. Most likely user will already be there, just check it, and directory where they want you to put the data, and that will also be there. Just in case it's not there, you can create it at your own. I've shown you this how you can solve this question. Okay, so guys, this is all about uh, up to question number 10, and I will see you in the next video. And one more thing guys, before leaving, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of the next video. And until then, I would say bye.